Good Thursday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here, looking at the current drought monitor across the area. We can see abnormally dry across a good portion of Iowa, and then you can even see moderate drought across the northern half, some areas across central Iowa as well, and then the severe drought here back across northwest Iowa, which actually we're going to see a decent amount of rain tomorrow in those areas of northwest Iowa tomorrow. So that is the better news to the forecast. Looking at current temperatures, though, across the area today, upper 30s, lower 40s across the state this morning. Looking at the wind for today, generally out of the south, about 5 to 15 miles per hour. So we're going to see gusts maybe around 25 miles per hour, especially across northwest and north central Iowa. So it might be a little bit breezy out there. Looking at high temperatures today, though, all of us getting into the 60s statewide here today. And then by later on tonight here, we'll be getting down there into the middle 40s statewide, even some lower 50s across western Iowa. So we're starting to see the mild air set back in here. And then looking at the forecast radar as we go through the day here, we do have an area of showers off to the west of Iowa here today, and most of that is going to dissipate as it works towards the state, but I would not rule out as we get into mid-late afternoon, maybe a brief shower or a sprinkle not out of the question across northwest Iowa. So don't be shocked if you get a sprinkle here by mid-late afternoon, but that's going to be about it with that wave here. As we get deeper into tonight and overnight into Friday morning, especially by that 3 to 5 a.m. time frame here, we're going to start to increase showers and maybe even a couple rumbles of thunder, not out of the question here, across northwest Iowa as you get up Friday morning. And then as we go on through 9 a.m. Friday morning, 10, 11, noon here, continuing to see showers across west and central Iowa. Some of us here are seeing widespread showers through the midday time frame, going through about 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3, 4, and then through about 5 p.m. here. Very slow mover, northwest Iowa. I think a lot of us back into interior northwest Iowa starting to see the rain cut off here by the evening time frame tomorrow evening. And as you get into 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9, 10, and then through about 11 midnight tomorrow night, you're still seeing those scattered showers from central to northeast Iowa here through the overnight into Saturday morning. And I think as Saturday morning goes on, especially as you get towards 6, 7 a.m., scattered showers across the eastern part of the state, and as you go through the first half of Saturday, we'll finally clear that out of here. And then looking at total precipitation with just this event here, thinking a quarter to a half for these areas right here. All right, and then noting another area would be right in here, where I think there can be areas of a half inch to an inch, not out of the question here, from west central to northwest Iowa. I think it can be spotty, but especially in here, places like O'Brien, Cherokee, Ida counties there, I think you could possibly see a widespread half inch to an inch of rain here out of this tomorrow. And then farther to the east here, generally speaking, 500s to 1500s, maybe even a little bit higher than that in those areas across central and into the eastern part of the state. So that's kind of how the forecast looks right now. And then obviously we're going to be watching for another wave coming through as we get into Saturday night into Sunday. This is going to be more of just a scattered wave of some showers statewide. I think we call it a 50 to 60% probability for some rain here. Obviously some of us can stay dry here off and on Sunday, but I think for the most part, you're seeing that coverage of scattered showers across the state here. Looking at precipitation amounts with that second round here, not a lot of coverage the farther north you go. It says you get into central, southern Iowa, probably the best bet to see another quarter to a half inch of rain out of that. Obviously something we're going to have to fine tune. Temperatures on Friday, because we're seeing those rain showers work through, upper 50s to lower 60s, especially across the north and central half of the state. As we get into Saturday, upper 60s, lower 70s. We get into Sunday, same deal. It says we get into Monday, 70s statewide. And that trend is pretty much all next week. May even see middle to upper 70s by the time you get to late next week. So overall, milder temperatures are returning. And obviously, though, we're tracking quite a few different rain chances. That's all for today. Hope you guys have a great day.